last time. Pretty soon I'm going to think you just don't like me at all, sweetie. Is that true?
No.
Then you do like me. Wouldn't we be a great couple? I'm rich, you're cute. I'm popular, you're cute. I'm fun, you're cute. We're perfect together now. You'd love to kiss me. I see it in your eyes. Wi-Fi destiny.
Ludmilla, right?
Yes.
Well, you're pretty and all, and I'm sure you're rich. Except that I don't want to really get involved